go down in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise.
My thanks to my friend John, who loaned me his bear spray. I was complaining about how much it cost, and he's like, well, you can borrow mine, and if you don't need it, well, then it wouldn't. If you need it, yeah.
I don't think the ranger's gonna like this, Yogi.
I'm gonna give myself an enema.
And so I conclude day 3 of the Tour de Joko Yellowstone edition. I did a lot of driving today, did a lot of hiking, did a lot of observing of various geophysical features.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Now I continue to get hailed upon. That's bad. It's not like rain or gets in yet. We can make that. Man, I have total tent envy. Look at that. Got an awning. This big old tent. I'll admit, I thought my tent was kind of like old school and like hip, or anyway, it's actually kind of lame. It's kind of funny. This is consecutive campsites I've stayed at where the resident, what's it called, superintendent, I've gotten into a discussion with him, and he's warned me about the bears. Apparently there's a grizzly right along that ridgeline right over there that has been active lately and not really impressed with humans, and I should keep my food stored. Good idea. So I'm contemplating whether to sleep in the van or in the tent. And if it does precipitate, it will be snow. It will not be rain like the last 2 nights. And so therefore I am sleeping in the tent. And so begins day 4 of the Tour de Joko Yellowstone edition. Now I'm heading over to the eastern half of the park. Most of everything we've seen so far has been in the western. More adventures in camping last night. I woke up, I have no idea what time it was, maybe 3 in the morning, to find that the tent had half collapsed on me. It's below freezing, and I can't really go to the truck and sleep in the truck because all my sleeping stuff is in the tent. Well, when I went outside, I looked at it, it was not that difficult to fix, but there's quite something to waking up to find your tent half on you. So onward we go on the tour to Joko the buffalo. Mr. Buffalo. Nice buffalo. Oh, it's not a buffalo, it's a bison. What am I doing? Why am I on this road at 7 in the morning in a snowstorm when there's been no snowplows through here and I'm slipping and sliding? I'm an idiot. What am I doing up here? I should be in the campground, sitting in my car with the heater on. I brought these clothes home to my wife to see, and my wife was like, oh my gosh, these are great. And the only thing to listen to on the radio is the one radio station in Yellowstone, which is a Fox News channel. So I'm listening to Glenn Beck.